Hi, I'm Ryan Burton, Design Estimator at CSI. Welcome to this week's edition of Fittings Friday. One customer recently reached out to me looking for some custom replacement tri-clamp assemblies that needed to match the exact dimensions of their existing worn-out crosses, laterals, and elbows. To fulfill their need, I took the measurements of their existing fittings, which they had sent over to me, and then I created drawings to verify the customer was satisfied with the new tri-clamp assembly designs. Once approved, our expert craftsman went to work fabricating the new parts. Throughout the entire process, the customer had peace of mind knowing their new fittings would arrive on time and in the exact specifications they required. If I can help you with your next fittings project, give me a call at 417-831-1411 or visit csidesigns.com.